and it's a new year, so new weed puller. I like these types of devices because they're easy to use, they're less taxing on my body, they're kind of fun. This one actually arrives to you in one piece, no assembly required. Has a little blade guard on the front right here that you can pop off. Using this plunger, from end to end, it's about 38.5 inches, and from the end of the blades to the end of the handle, it is 35 inches. When someone my size puts it in the ground, it comes up to my waist. I'm 6'2". Easily good for anybody, any size. And super lightweight, it weighs 1 pound, 1 ounce. It's made out of some type of lightweight metal and plastic, so obviously you can't go stomping this thing into the ground, and it's probably gonna work best when you've watered your lawn or if it's wet out. So you got these 3 prongs on here. You're just gonna center these over the top of the weed. And if you're able to, you just push it down with your hands. If not, press it down, twist, pull it out. There you go. And you've got this button on the end here. You just eject it. And one thing I want to point out is it does leave a hole in the ground, because that's the point. It's pulling everything out at the roots, so you're gonna have to smooth over a hole. Every one of these that I have does the same thing. It leaves a hole in the ground that you have to fill in. But there it is, got everything, roots and all. Stick in the ground, you turn it, pull it out, and when it pulls the weed with the roots out, you just press this plunger on the end, eject it, and it's as easy as that. Super lightweight, probably great for all adults, seniors, people with arthritis maybe. Makes the job of weeding a little bit easier and kind of fun.